Stand by.
Okay, now you just see this. You have full
Map.
map.
Yeah.
So the good thing is you can store various scales. You can store up to 6 scales, whatever you want. It automatically. Okay, I got it. Okay, you can even put a satellite imagery.
This is from satellite.
Yeah, this is from Google Earth actually.
The real time.
So you can get the satellite imagery, scan, target information, everything can be put there. You can put your VOR ILS pattern on it. You can fly over that. The helicopter will move over this one as per your requirement.
This control the weather.
Yeah, it can show the weather not on this page, but you have a weather radar page. You switch on the weather radar, then then it shows the weather, and the weather can be inlaid on this,
I see.
on the HSI, and with the route also shown there in the same scale as the weather radar. So you know whether you are getting into weather en route or not. You can plan your mission, everything. Like you suppose from here you want to go to. Okay, for example, from here you want to go to Rayon, you just press go to. Okay, and this is active. You just take the cursor here using the trackball here. Okay, and then press this. It goes there. The autopilot automatically goes to map 014. You want to plan a route, that is also very simple. You put it to plan. Okay, and you need to select which category you want. Okay, and you just move it here. You want to plan a route, you just do this. That's it. And you want to activate this route, you put it in nav mission, route. That becomes blue, active route. So autopilot, you just press nav here, the helicopter automatically does the route.
Can you use autopilot to hover?
Yeah, this is auto hover mode, hover height and hover. You get to a correct hover height position where you want to hold. Press this, it holds position, height, everything on its own.
For
Hands off.
Minimum.
for demonstrate today, can you
Yeah,
demonstrate?
when you are doing hover, no issues. We can. Do that.
The minimum altitude for the holding.
Okay, there is minimum is less than 10 meters, 5 meters. You
can autopilot, auto
After that,
hovering.
till 150 meters, you can do the auto hover. The devious accuracy is required for small corrections. So till 100 meters, it is very, very good.
30 feet.
Okay, this is the system page. You get all the system information you want on this page. Hydraulics, oil temperature, engine, oil temperature, pressure, engine parameters, delta NG and torque, fuel, AGB, MGB, the gearboxes, and the electricals. So all information, any failure, it comes here.
What is NF1, NR, NF2? What is it?
Which one? This one?
NF1.
Okay. NF1 free turbine RPM. Free turbine RPM generally same as NR. It's a free turbine. So if there is a brake or something, only then it will be different. Otherwise, both of them are governed. This has got a GPWS.
GPWS,
Yeah. Till 1 minute before you are about to impact terrain, it will give you a warning, terrain. And it will show you a circle where you are going to impact on this. So you activate it on the cyclic, you just press this button, your GPWS will get active. It says pull up. You put your headset, it will say pull up because your height is 4 meters and your terrain is close to this one. So it says pull up. Pull up for 10 seconds warning. If you are likely to hit terrain in 10 seconds, it will give you pull up, pull up. If you can select a time, 60 seconds, it will tell you terrain.
Terrain.
Like Amber. I fly Amber 135.
Okay.
Have a EGPWS, that's the same.
So you press this again, it's disabled. It shows no GPW. Here. You press that, it shows GPW and warning comes on.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, the next thing is weather radar. It will show you on the scale complete weather radar. This is the control panel for the weather radar. You select what you want to see.
What it is?